Let's talk about going to the movies. A movie theater is a place where you watch films on a very big screen. You buy a ticket before you go in. The ticket has the movie name, the date, and your seat number. You find your seat inside the theater. The seats are in rows, and each seat has a number. The screen is very large. It is at the front of the room. Many people buy popcorn before the movie starts. You can also buy a drink. The lights go down, and the room gets dark. Then the movie begins. The sound is very loud. You can hear the music, the voices, and the sound effects clearly. Everyone watches the screen together. It is quiet, and you do not talk during the movie. Some movies are funny. Some movies are exciting. Some movies are sad. In Japan, many people watch movies on holidays and weekends. Movie theaters are busy on those days. After the movie, the lights come back on. People leave slowly and talk about what they saw. Going to the movies with a friend or family member is a lot of fun. It is a popular way to spend time together.